In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see members in a Microsoft Teams group. If you need to quickly check who is included in a group conversation in Microsoft Teams, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. Whether you want to confirm who's in the chat, make sure the right people were added, or just review the participant list, Teams gives you a built-in option for that right at the top of the conversation. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to your chat section. From there, open the group chat you want to review. Make sure you're selecting a group conversation rather than a one-on-one chat, since this option is most useful when multiple people are included in the same thread. Once the chat is out, you'll be able to see the conversation history and the controls across the top of the window. Next, look toward the top area of the chat near the Meet Now option. You'll find a button labeled View and Add Participants. This is the section you'll use to check who is currently included in that Microsoft Teams group chat. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you select that option, Teams will display the participants associated with the chat. This lets you view the current members without needing to leave the conversation or open a separate settings page. It's a convenient way to confirm the group makeup, especially if you've joined an active chat and want to understand who is part of it before responding. A helpful tip here is to give the panel a moment to fully load if your internet connection is slow or if the group is larger than usual. Also, keep in mind that the exact appearance of the button may vary slightly depending on whether you're using Teams in a browser or desktop app, but it should still appear in the top area of the chat near the meeting controls. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're inside the correct group chat and not in another area like Teams, Calendar, or Activity. The participant list is tied to the specific conversation you have open, so location matters. And that's all it takes to see members in a Microsoft Teams group. Open the group chat, click View and Add Participants at the top, and review the member list right there. It's quick, straightforward, and useful anytime you need to verify who's included in the conversation.